As our long drive north came to an end, it didn't seem like 6 weeks had come and gone since we were last in the northern fells of the Lake District. Excitement, and indeed a little trepidation, is that we might finally get to do what we couldn't do last time, as we were turned back by high winds. Hi guys. Well, you can guess where we are. We're back on Blencathra. Have another go at Sharp Edge, so hopefully the wind isn't so bad this time as it was last. But we've been going about an hour now, and it's really nice conditions. It's pretty dry underfoot with low winds so far. Just two of us in the party this time, spending a couple of days up here in the lakes. It's me and Skye. John unfortunately can't be with us because he's busy working, so he'll be missed, but nevertheless we're going to have a go at this and see how it goes, really. So exciting stuff. So I'll bring you back later then when we're up by the Corrie Lake there. So take care, see you in a bit, bye. Hi guys, we're nearly the Corrie Lake now, and there is Sharp Edge. I must say it's looking pretty decent in the sun and the shadows. It is awe-inspiring. It is imposing. It's kind of one of those ridges when you're coming into the lakes from Penrith and towards Keswick on the A66, and you look up and you see it and you think, my goodness, how can anybody go up across that? Very, very impressive. But so far so good. Weather hopefully with us, hopefully the mountain gods are with us, so we'll get up to the Corrie Lake and I'll bring you back there. See you in a bit. It's 28th of May, so quite a lot of people up on the hills, and it's been about 6 weeks in the making, this traverse of Sharp Edge, so fingers crossed we'll get it done. Looking forward to it. See you in a bit. So far so good. It's tough though, even when dry the rock is pretty slippery, lots and lots of boots, but manageable, just one step at a time, and it's pretty much windless, so absolute bonus there. So catch you in a bit. Hi guys, we're at the top of Sharp Edge. That was good fun. I enjoyed it. Thoughts? Yeah, there's some exposure there. There's no doubt about that, but it's only in patches. There isn't a lot of bypassing. You know, the easier route is along the crest, to be honest. Plainly, it's a lot shorter than Striding Edge. But probably a little bit more exposure. Those little patches of exposure are exposed. The bad step is would be very difficult in the wet. There's no doubt about that. It's, you know, and all the rock is hardly polished. So even though it's bone dry, I mean, it hasn't rained here for a couple of days, and we've had decent days leading up to this. And even though it's bone dry, it's polished, all in boots over all them years. So you know, it's quite tricky. In the shoulder as well. Once you get across the actual ridge itself, there's quite a steep shoulder up Blencathra, just above it now. And there's a couple of gullies which are probably the best route up, really. Wedge yourself in and sort of make your way up that way. But yeah, it's good fun, excellent. Yeah, what a buzz. So we're just going to make the summit now. I'll see you at the summit, do a summit photograph, and I'm going to come down and make our way back down to the Corrie Lake and back down Blencathra. But thank you, Blencathra. That was a thrill. Catch you later, guys. Hi guys, excellent, making our way down now. At about 600 metres now, so we've lost a couple of 100 metres off the top of Blencathra. So what I'll do is I'll negotiate the rest of this descent and then catch you with the car to sign off then. Oh, it's Siri. You are 4 miles, there you are. What a nice steady little hike it is, but really enjoyable though. Yeah, excellent. The views this evening are wonderful. It's about 7:15 at the moment. Sundown tonight's about 9:30. Something about 10. It's light enough to do stuff. So yeah, excellent. Wow, here we are, back at the White Horse Inn. And the busy A66. That was excellent. Really enjoyed it. Blencathra, say second summit. Yeah, great stuff. You did well, didn't you, Skye? Yeah, that was a yes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I certainly did anyway. It was a really great climb. No one was a favourite amongst mountain lovers. Great mountain. With the car coming. Anyway, thanks again if you're still with us after all this climbing and scrambling. Appreciate it if you are. And either way, see you in the next video. So take care of yourself. See you soon.